This is a chai latte, and it's one of the most popular drinks in the coffee shop. Here's how to make one. Let's go. So there are two ways to make this drink, and there's one way that is always preferred. The first is using a tea bag, and maybe this is the original or traditional way to make a chai, is you use chai tea, and you make a small chai tea, and you use that as your base, very similar to how you'd make a London fog, but you'd use your chai tea. Now, the most popular way, and the way that's requested all the time, almost 100 to 1, is to use a powder, which is essentially a chai powder with a few little sugars and other things added to it. And there are tons of these out there, but this is the one we use here at the coffee house. As you can see, it is a powder. You use a scoop of it, and you put it into something to mix, and you add about an ounce or an ounce and a half of hot water, same water you'd use for coffee, around 200 degrees, and whisk it. Now the key is to whisk your chai good. So here's our chai and our water added. And again, this gets a little sticky, so you want to whisk this really, really, really good. And maybe this cup is not a great example to do it this high. But I'll put it down here so I can whisk it very good, because you don't want any residue on the side of your cup like that. So you want to make sure you get it whisked real good, real fine. We're doing an iced chai. Of course, this is just milk and ice. If you're doing a hot chai, you would just froth the milk the exact same way you would for a latte. And then we're going to add our chai on top. So I always add on top, let it fall down through the milk. So there we go. It's almost complete. We need one other thing for a chai latte, and that's to garnish it with cinnamon. A chai latte, very sweet drink, but it will also have cinnamon on it. So you take your cinnamon here. Let me see if I can do this left-handed, and just knock some of that on. And there you go. At Chai Latte, I'm always impressed or surprised by how popular this is at the coffee house. You use a chai mix, preferably, like I said, preferably a mix, milk, frothed if it's going to be hot, or just cold, and ice if it's going to be a cold drink, and garnish it with cinnamon. And there you go. Sometimes you'll add different flavors like lavender or vanilla to make it a little bit sweeter, but by its nature, it's going to be a sweet drink already. And it's a popular drink, even iced all year round. All right, guys, that's how you make a chai latte. Enjoy.